Good morning, guys. So finally, we made it to Sela Pass. Behind my back is Sela Lake.
Hello guys, welcome from Derang. After 6 hours of journey, finally we are reached Derang.
This is Dirang Monastery. So over here, the first architecture that we see over here.
नमस्कार भैया लोग, कैसन मानिए आप लोग। तो हम यहाँ आए रहा हुआ सांगती वैली में और सांगती
जय हिंद दोस्तों।
Good morning guys.
Hey guys.
So it's around 6 a.m. in the morning and we are checking it out from the Ajanta hotel.
So finally, now the time has come to say bye bye to Tawang.
And today morning we are check out from this hotel. Okay.
So finally our sumo has come and we are heading towards Dirang. So it will take around 6 hours to reach Dirang and after that we'll check out in another hotel in Dirang.
So guys, meanwhile in our journey, we will be moving. We will be visiting few places as well towards the journey to Dirang. We will be going around Sela Pass and Dirang hot water spring. So guys, enjoy the view.
Yeah, stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
चाइना से आ रहे हैं।
पानी का कितना गेट है?
फोटो ले सकते हैं यहाँ पे।
Hey guys, this is Nurnang waterfalls.
What's up guys? So we are doing our breakfast. It's near Sela Pass. So
Guys. Without Maggie, that trip is incomplete.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, चाय पी लो।
So finally, guys, we are near to Sela Pass. Now, after 1 kilometer somewhere, we will be reaching Sela Lake. Now, currently today the weather is extremely perfect. Today sun is also out, so the view and everything is very nice.
पब्लिक, कैसा है आप लोग? देखो अब हम लोग है सेला पॉइंट पे और यहाँ पे हम लोग देख सकते हैं सेला लेक।
हेलो गाइस, अभी हम लोग सेला पास में हैं, जहाँ तक कि सेला पास फेमस है लेक के लिए। और यहाँ का टेम्परेचर आई थिंक माइनस में है, और इट माइट बी 0 के नीचे है। सो यू कैन सी द व्यू एंड एंजॉय द व्यू।
This is Sela Lake. So Sela Pass is basically a military base point within Tawang. So this is a protected area only, and I would definitely recommend everyone coming to Tawang because of these places like Sela Pass, Tawang, Bumla Pass, Pitiso Lake. So this is definitely worth watching once in a lifetime.
And
So
also,
guys, yes,
and
Rahul.
also you can see this small part of the snow is falling.
Yep. So currently it's snowing a bit, and guys, meanwhile you can enjoy the view. Start. Start. Guys.
हे गाइज, हेलो, वेलकम टू आवर ब्लॉग। तो अभी हम लोग है हॉट स्प्रिंग दिरांग में। यहाँ पे छोटा सा एक झरना टाइप है जो कि गर्म पानी का क्या बोलते हैं उसको, आगे बोल।
मेरे को भी नहीं मालूम।
Hello guys, welcome from Derang. After 6 hours of journey, finally we are reached at the Derang.
So guys, this Dirang is a very beautiful place. The journey from Tawang to Dirang was very beautiful. Sela Pass was amazing. Now basically our plan is to roam around few places within Dirang. So we are planning to go to Tawang, Dirang Monastery and Sankti Valley maybe. So guys, stay tuned with us.
Good evening, public. So we are here at Sankti Valley and enjoying the view with Sahu and our friends Kishore and Gupta. And Gupta is enjoying alone.
So guys, this valley is very beautiful. Especially this will be even more beautifuler if we will come in the month of October or in the rainy season. Currently this valley like we could stay also, we could do camping also in this valley. So there is camping facilities also available over here. So guys, enjoy the view.
And also we can see, and also we can, and also yeah, near this valley there is a huge river. The flow of the river is very it is a very good, and the flow, the sound of the flow is it's creating a positive vibes for our bodies.
So guys, meanwhile you can enjoy the view. Guys, now we are at Sangti Valley. So this is the bridge for the valley. Over here, tourist camps are also available where we can stay for the overnight. Where we can stay overnight. Enjoy this view.
नमस्कार भैया लोग, कैसन मानी आप लोग। तो हम यहाँ आए रहा हुआ सांगती वैली में, और सांगती वैली में ये देखा हमारे साथ साहू है और किशोरवा है। किशोरवा बहु विचलित प्राणी है और साहू बहुत खुश है। यहाँ आए के बहुत खुश है साहू, देखो कितना खुश है। ए मर्दे चिल्लात रहा था साहू दिन भर, देखो कैसे खुश है। देखा, हाँ तुमका व्यू देखेगा क्या पड़ रहा है।
वन्यजीव को दिखाओ, वन्यजीव।
ये देखा, ये सांगती वैली बा, और हमारे तो दोस्त वहाँ है, वहाँ वे फोटोग्राफी करत है। मन करत है कि ओका छोड़ दे हूँ मैं। ये देखो अकेले रहा थे ये सर। चलो अच्छा है, फिर मिला तानी बाद में। जय हिंद।
Guys, now from Sangti Valley we will be moving. We are planning to go towards Dirang Monastery. So Dirang Monastery will be basically in the city center. So we will be today night we will be staying in Dirang. Tomorrow morning we are planning to go towards Tezpur. Guys, this is Dirang city. So this is basically the main market of Dirang city. Guys, today day 5 of our trip, and we are now proceeding towards Dirang Monastery. Currently it's 5 a.m. in the morning. So basically Dirang Monastery is around 10-15 minutes walk from the property that we were staying. After that we will be catching a sumo and we will be proceeding towards Tezpur. Hey guys, so yesterday around 5 p.m. When we visited this monastery, so this monastery was completely closed.
And also it was completely dark.
So guys, we thought of visiting this today in the morning. Also this monastery, what I feel is one of the best monastery that I have ever seen. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy with us. Guys, this is Dirang Monastery. So over here, the first architecture that we see over here is basically a kind of restaurant. Then behind that there is the monastery village. So guys, you can enjoy this one. Guys, now we are visiting. Now we are entering in the main gate for the Dirang Monastery. यहाँ पे फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे क्या रेस्टोरेंट है? अच्छा अच्छा. So guys, this is the restaurant place which is in the first floor, and when we go up from here, so that will be in the second floor. so the monastery will be coming. So guys, this is the main gate for the monastery. You can see this view, guys. So after we will take this staircase. Then we will be getting this amazing view of this Dirang monastery. So guys, this is Dirang monastery. Look at this valley. So this valley is basically the entire Dirang city. So this we could see from the top of the Dirang monastery. Hey guys, now we will be taking this sumo and we will be proceeding towards Tezpur. Our plan actually is to go Kaziranga, so we will try to reach Kaziranga today by evening. That's all. Stay connected.
भैया लोग, हम कांजीरंगा आए थे, हमारे पीछे शेर पड़ गया। भागो भागो जल्दी।
ये हम है, ये हमारे जीव है और हम जंगल सफारी कर रहे हैं।